Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zips and welcome back to Slay the Spire 2. I can't help myself. I can't stop slaying this goddamn spire. It's Reginald Regen today. I am, you know what? I'm just down to do lead paperweight Omni Slash. 8, basically a 0 cost cleave does sound pretty nice. I will do it. Alright. We are in the Overgrowth today. I am kind of down to fight some elites with this nice card that I just picked up. We can take like a path that looks like yeast maybe? Get like a lot. God, I feel like I've just been doing so many question marks. Early question marks do feel kind of nice though, because you can get cheese room. And cheese room is very good. I meet someone, I am cheesed to meet them. The police officers can't find any evidence that sticks, the case goes cold. I meet somebody, I'm cheesed to meet you get the idea. If you maybe you don't. I wouldn't fault you if you didn't. Damn, this refined blade card is really good at Forge 9. Harmony is also a seems like a pretty solid card, or homogeny, not harmony. Pale blue dot looks like such a strange card, but quite strong when upgraded actually. I don't hate Refined Blade here. I don't know if I'm in the mood. You know what? Yeah, I'll do some Refine. I'm down for some Refinery. Homogeny. Yo, bird up! Bird up. Bird up. Bird up, everyone. It's time to bird up. I have not seen bird in a hot minute. I am ready to bird the fuck up. Hey, where's my Omni Slash? Where's my heckin' Omni Slash that I'm supposed to draw here to deal with the units to deal with the fights with multiple enemies in them? This King's Courage is very nice. I do like Minion Dive Bomb quite a bit. Glow is also good. A little bit of Star Generation never hurts. I feel like my damage is okay, especially with this potion. Oh well. I guess I could just turn a strike into a peck. Sure, give me a peck. Maybe we find a way to scale strength. Yo, we are so birded up right now. I would like to procure a potion here. Entropic Brew, that's a good potion. Yo, we must beat the bird to become the bird. Wow. How inspirational. I would love to weak potion you. That is very good. Isn't that like crazy? You gotta bird. Bird. Yeah. Fuck it, I'm using 3 potions here. I don't even care. Dog, I don't even care. This bird is getting... I gotta claim my rightful place as the real bird of the show. Summon Forth is very good. We do some blading. We doing some blading. Anyway, Hatch my egg. Give me. So we got both Peck and Bird Swoop. There should be like a Easter egg if you get both of these in the same run. There's like they make each other stronger or something. Yo, I got my little bird dude. Bird up. Bird up, dog. Oh, we better. I quite like the bird. I like all these 0-cost cards. I could take an Astral Pulse heal. A Rod in War is also not too bad. I kind of like just more 0-cost cards in this deck, and then you combo that with like summon the 2-cost Sovereign Blade. Lets you be nicely energy efficient. God, I want to upgrade my bird. I want to straight up upgrade this bird. Maybe I should heal here, though. But you know what? I'll play safe. I don't mission critical need these upgrades. There's a really cool tech I could show off against this guy, but I don't know if I'll be able to here. It's really cool tech with, yeah, I definitely will not be able to show it off here because I would 100% just need to get the kill here. It's fine. I would like to glow next turn. Because the sooner I draw Astral Pulse, the sooner we win. That's a good hand. Fucking bird up! Bird up! Yo, Astral Pulse. Nice. Now draw me Omni Slash. Yeah, there we go. So the tech I am referring to is that if you combo Omni Slash the Worm Dude's the Worm Elite's first phase, you kill it with Omni Slash, that Omni Slash damage will actually carry over to the guys he summons. I saw a friend do that and it was like really cool. What if I take 2 Refined Blades? We just have like a bunch of energy generation. I wonder how good that is. Unfortunately, I have 0. We are left with the classic issue with this character. I don't think I clicked this. We are met with the classic issue of, hey, where the hell are my block cards? Block cards, please. And then, like, I never get the block cards. Bird up? Oh. My ass is not birding up. Thank God I got this, tungsten rod. My chud-ass Sovereign Blade is not killing me. My chud-ass bird is just watching. No, I take that bet. You're not a chud bird. I think a second summon fourth is big. I probably click on Glitter Stream here. Do I take another elite or do I actually go to a shop here? I think I'd probably go to a shop. I don't know if I'm that into Lava Lamp here. I do kind of like Panic Button. I've been complaining about block cards. If you Glitter Stream to get like the 5 block from it and then you Panic Button, or no, if you set up gain 5 block next turn and then you Panic Button, do you still get the block? I don't know, actually. I'm down to click Panic Button. I'm a Panic Button apologist. And you know what? Give me the map. I'm taking all the quest items. We're getting all kinds of freaky here. What is Omni Slash? 11 damage actually is not bad. It's particularly good into this fight. I'll do it. For this fight. I will also be using this potion. Give me a random colorless card each turn. I think that's actually not bad. Gives us a lot of shit to throw at the enemies. Okay, I don't actually want to throw a throwing hatchet. You know what? I'm not afraid. Peck. Do I actually throwing hatchet here? It's not the most exciting card to be playing every turn. Restlessness. Can I? Well, I can't get that off no matter how hard I try. Man, I'm actually close to getting the restlessness. I'm kind of taking a lot of damage here, aren't I? This Sovereign Blade is actually doing a lot of good work in keeping us alive, though. I guess I just do this. I have enough stars to Astral Pulse here. So let's do that. And I just kill you. It cannot be. Oh, but it is. I probably should have just played a defend there. Let's be honest with ourselves. Hey, I get that cool looking turn though. Where I had energy I could spend there. Am I gonna die to this guy? I think it's possible. Dramatic entrance. His fucking peck does 3 damage. Why did you play that instead of just playing a fucking defend, man? Am I stupid? I guess I'll just play the 44 damage. And then I call it back. Boink. I have never tried this Monarch's Gaze card. But with our 0-cost card and also this pack, it actually doesn't sound too bad. You know what? I'll try it. That was like a cool way to be defensive. Regal boy, it looks like you're doing a great out there. Yes, of course. Just some minor setbacks at the upper levels, like dying. We all need to learn from our mistakes. Very Hot Cocoa is very, very decent. So we are definitely going to this shop here, and honestly, I just want to kind of take a safe path to the shop. I don't want to fight many elites. I got my big payoff here. So I get to set this up for free, which is cool. It's a weird fight. But these guys are kind of getting their attacks deleted. Omni Slash. Very good. Fortunately, I'm taking a bit of damage here. With this Tungsten Rod here and Monarch's Gaze, we are like the king of any fight with multi-hits. Another Summon Forth. Photon Cut is also good. I do want card draw here. Yeah, I do like Photon Cut. Bugman! I'll take it, Exterminate Bugman. I need some shit that draws me cards, man. I don't have enough of that, I fear. I do full block here, and honestly, this fight is looking very good for you. Well, for me, I guess. I'm the one playing the game. So we got our Monarch's Gaze in play. I mean, there goes all their strength. I mean, they're dead, but like, all their strength did leave them. This patter is really good here. Good with Peck, good with Exterminate. I have like all the event cards in this run. You got a freaking peck, you got a bird swoop, and you got exterminate. That's quite a bit of cards from various events. I mean, hey, game, if you just want to like draw me the thing turn 1, I'm more than happy. Oh my god, look at all this AoE I got. Fuck yo eggs! Man, screw your eggs. I don't even care. I believe I have not played Summon Forth yet. This is a very intriguing build. I am quite down. This guy's just gonna summon more freaking heckin' stupid idiot birds. I'm just gonna these are not birds. I don't know what I'm calling birds here. These are eggs. I mean, no, this is my bird. This is my beautiful bird. I need to use, I'm going to use the Gambler's Brew here. Yeah, let's do that. This is actually the deck for Prophesize. With all these 0-cost cards we got in our deck, and also if we draw this turn 1, it's like insane. The best shop relic we could definitely see here. Give me a 0-cost card. Okay, fair enough. Big money. That's pretty decent with whatchamacallit. Chemical X, I needed you in the last video. SMH, man. I'll take Happy Flower. SMH, man. God, this shop, I guess. Give me this for Worm. Actually, this is not... Prep time is kind of a good power, actually. With the Exterminate and the Peck, it's not bad. You know what? Sure. Something that helps our damage output is pretty good. Can we upgrade it uncommon power? Yeah. I'm good. I'll upgrade this prep time. This is like a weird vigor build. Alrighty. I did not mean... Actually, it's kind of correct to play that there, because then I just call it back with Summon Forth. So, hit me with one of these. Nice, stupid. I can't play Monarch's Gaze here. That's a lot of damage I take here. Ow. Alright, let's exterminate. Let's exterminate this vermin. Alrighty. Interesting. Can I draw my AoE? Oh, yo, huge! AoE drawn. Mostly. Hit up one of those. Oh my god, we're cooking them. We are cooking them this fight. Oh, thank you, Prophesize. Very cool. Alright, let's just kill you. I'm fine with that. Alright, nice. A regen potion. A regent potion? Nah. No. I don't think so. Okay, alright. I have, like, no idea if this run is actually winning or if this run is just complete dog shit. Let's not waste these powers. Man, I literally drew nothing that I needed there. A little sad. Bro. Why am I drawing so terribly? Okay, fine. I guess I'll just take 16. I guess that's reasonable. I just kind of need to set up my powers here. Yeah, I will panic button here. Because I'm pretty... You do take off this turn. Which is very, very fortunate for us. With one of those. You are vulnerable for a second turn. Which is good news. Do I just summon Forth here? I think I just summoned Forth. Although, I'm able to decrease... No, we'll say that for next turn, because if I play this, I'm able to do a lot of... I'm able to lower your strength a lot. Don't think I'm close to actually losing this fight. Do I play defend here? No, I think I'll just play a frantic escape. We're getting mighty close to victory here. But also mighty close to dying. Youch. I should win these, right? I do. Thank goodness. Heavenly Drill. If I draw this turn 1, it's very funny. But what the heck are the chances of that? Don't I have a card that put... Oh, I have like Photon. You could do like Photon Cut. I am invincible. You know what? I'm the regen. I should click on things that give me block. Speaking of which. Sigh. Sigh, anyone? Yeah, I'll take Sigh. More block, please. I would like to visit both of these shops. I think that seems very decent. And then you just take like... Is it me or does this act feel really short? Like, looking at the map there, is that a weird thing to say? Why would that be a weird thing to say? I don't know, like... Is that this? Can I not? Fine, I'll use the potion. But you didn't notice... wait, no, Be Gone works. Ooh, and then I get to set up my prep time. Then I get to do just a little bit of prep time work. I'm like fucking Batman, the way I be using my prep time to win, do stupid shit. Drop a... We save this for the boss, 100%. 100%. I get another shop. I'm gonna hold that to see if I can get anything more exciting than what that shop showed me. Prep time, lovely. I feel like I am just supposed to play Sovereign Blade every time I get it in hand, even if it feels kind of weird too. There's not much point, because I can summon Forfeit back, and there's like not much point on like trying to hold up to build like a big sword when we only have like 2 Forge cards in the deck. Forge actually is not like incredibly important this run, I feel. Almost just took damage there for no reason, but then I realized there was no reason to take it. Indeed. Oh, that is good. Alright, got anything better for me? Kafuda. Uh... Game 3 block. What would that be really good on? Maybe just like Bird Swoop, Omni Slash, Collision Course. They're all 0 cost cards. It's fine. So take Master of Strategy. I think with your energy turn 1, you probably want something like that. And give me like just potions here. Pretty underwhelming shops, sadly. Hello there. Give me the Monarch Gaze. I will draw a bajillion cards this turn, thank you. I'm going to reduce this man's attack to 0. And I'm thinking I didn't play a block card this turn. Oops. Oops. Alright, well, let's reduce that attack to 0 there, buddy. So wait, I get to do this. I might be stupid. I may be stupid. Indeed, I may be. Damn. Alright. Not much happening here. Into this. Wish I could call my sword back, but I can't. Right. That shit was not killing. Can I draw something that's like a 0 cost card here? Whatever. Just get me out of this fight. Man, whatever. Eat the Collision Course. Rot in War is not that great. We are not really a sword build. Ugh, who are these guys, man? This is kind of bad here. I whiffed my turn 1 really badly. Oops. Gulp. Give me this. Ugh. God, I'm getting my strength sapped away, which is actually horrible for us. I need to, like, kill you this turn. Oh my god, that card did 0 damage. Okay, at least we decreased their attack by a lot. That's a plus. Okay, give me my fucking attack back, you piece of shit. You bastard. Damn piece of fucking dookie. Guys, I have like... There is like no point I'm playing block cards here. Damn it. Alright, whatever. Sovereign Blade is dealing an insane 41 damage. Actually, give me... Spoils of Battle is good. We're trying to get a setup where Very Hot Cocoa allows us to get like an insane turn 1. Gorgon is good with our, That's good, I think. Yeah, I can panic. There is no I am 100% able to panic button there due to game mechanics. Okay, I don't like getting all this burn in the deck. Certainly not. Kind of fucked up that you do this to me. So I just deal 27 damage to you and be kind of sad about it. That's a lot of damage you're dealing to me there, sir, and I need to set my prep time. Ouch. That's 13 damage to my face right there. I've not really begun to do much damage yet. Okay. I might die here. I'm looking at this now. I might just be dead. I think I needed to not be greedy with my potions here. I'm alive for another turn. God, but I'm this deep into it. Well, you're that deep into it. I'm this deep into the fight. I might as well see if I can. No, you gotta try to see if you can not use your potions here. God, I'm getting fucking melted here. Oh, I got Sovereign Blade. Which is definitely not enough to kill. Fine, I'll use the potion. Could I have saved like 1,000,000 damage there if I just used the potion earlier? God. It's fine, it's fine. Don't even worry about it. Like, literally, don't even fucking worry about it, dog. It ain't even matter. Speaking of ain't even mattering, where's my fucking powers? So I just summon forth this shitter back into the hand. So hit me with one of these. Do I panic button here? It feels pretty not good too. I guess I don't have a choice. Is there like any world I get lethal here? Wait, maybe. I'm damn close. Lethal obtained. Lethal has been collected. Hello, Shuma Goraf. Okay, I like setting up prep time turn 1. We do a little bit of scaling. Hit you with this. Probably just play the debris and then just set up your sword to hopefully do good things for us. Monarch's Gaze is going to be very good for this fight. For sure. I don't like you weakening me. Okay, do a play like this. I don't really care about you hitting me, so I just get... Because this is a fight where supposedly my, ouch. I think I'm noticing what our weakness is. We don't block for very much. Although this is a huge turn for Monarch's Gaze. Holy. Very good Monarch's Gaze turns. Falling Star into a Sovereign Blade into a Photon Cut. And we get to pick up a Chandelier. With this Swift Potion, I think I'll be fine. Swift Potion and Potion of Prognostication. This just gives me more health for this fight. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm big too. I forgot. Taking that makes you big. Very fun. Huh. Weird. I have not drawn any of my powers. Well, that sucks. Shit, I did the order wrong. I probably could have killed you this turn if I wasn't stupid bitch. Okay, I got the... So can I please keep this card in hand? Thank you. I would like to be able to use Sovereign Blade on one of these upcoming turns. So, all the attacks are multi-hit in this phase. Shit. I might be stupid. I don't have the energy that I think I do. Let's delete that attack. God, I could have played Fallen Star here. I feel very stupid for not doing that. Let's do this. I need to play these debris, man. They are filling up my deck. God. Let's play this card. Let's peck. No, I need a panic button here. Oh my god, I actually do no damage. Am I dead here? Thankfully not. Woo! Oh, close! Oh! Oh, fuck. Oh, dear God. Oh my god, there's a villain in my deck, and its name is Debris. Who let him in? I know it was me who let him in. Oh my god, how do I kill him in this phase? That's a fucking great question. No, now he's adding burns. Not the burns. This does quite a lot of damage. That's good. I think I do this instead, and we go for the attack, and we go for the decreasement in attack. I need like all the... This is gonna be close! Let's do this into hit you with a Sovereign Blade. Victory is in Victory is in reach. Come on. No. 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 Am I dead? Oh, and I was never afraid. Yeah! Fucking big mushroom, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, I took the big mushroom and it paid off. And it paid off. Give me that big ass mushroom, dog. Holy. That's how it's done in this house. Burn up, baby. Both birds are going in the thumbnail. Burn up. Burn up. We burden up in this house to actual success. Holy fuck, you're big. Why are you so big? That's what this guy is thinking right now, because we're like large. And this is what the... Did I mention that's what the big mushroom does? That's why we're big. You know, I feel so sad for the little helpers. Is sad to see them die. Alright, nice. Well, that's gonna do for this episode of Slay the Spire 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. All of you out there, have a nice day.